Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, but more if Eze-Ana Ugochi to Benorifte, before market people. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na temple anyị na-agba afa miri emi lokwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Soulmate Consideration. Soulmate Consideration. Anyị wee kwuo na mgbe ọbụla ị na-achọ soulmate, what you should look for is soulmate, not just wife. Yes, maka na ọ bụrụ na ihe ibu n'obi bụ just ka iwe gbatara igbe ahịa tanta gị igbe afịa, you are missing the point. When you are looking for somebody that your soul, two of you long for each other, onye na-eje ebe ị na-eje, anyị nọ na ahịa ka anyị bịara ịzụ n'ụwa. So whenever you are going, we are in life mission. So whenever you are in this life mission, you must look for someone that is going the same place with you. But the problem is that we consider so many things that is irrelevant. Maybe you are considering beauty, you are considering shape, you are considering this or that. That is not important. And echefuna na mgbe ọbụla na consider this soulmate, you have to look from the spiritual angle to physical angle. Looking only for the physical without spiritual, the whole thing will be in mess, it will be in shambles. But consider your spiritual part. Consider ndị gị na ha nwere ihe na mmụọ. Then chọọ onye na-eme ka gị. Ị ga-achọrịrị onye yiri gị, onye gị na ya na-eche ofu echiche, where the same vision, where the same mindset and set goals. Ka o wee daba. Nkuzi a ka anyị ga-awa agbata. Ige ntị, ị ga-amụta something that will change your life. Before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Echefuna na anyị nọ na month of August. Monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Makanika schools ebe niile. This year to go in the temple, Chuaja, call for Kubioku, this difference of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and the consecrated group. Yes, I gave make it to until the last of the month. I gave them a no man have money. Then a temple, Chuaja to entities of powers. Keuke, Kendamus, Jeneben Chuaja, Wib, Messalaka, one day to Wapaja, Makanaja Kairogu. So I'm on the solution and I bat, and actually, no what I do when I do a moment, it's okay, Maraga family. One number mabo, here to what I'm now. Now before Menka, or one cabwa, honorable child of the temple, Echefuna. Now our annual festival for the year is this September 16th. After I know no honorable child of the temple, that contribute to his or our quota for the festival. Echefuna festival won't buy just celebrate for the children of the temple. They are go get Eze-Ana Ugochi to be rich. But this year festival is very unique. Because this year festival on that 16th, I lay a foundation for the consecrated place of Chukwu Kepuni Henin. So after I know no child of the temple, God contributes his own quota. Now, Obrona, if you go that place of proposed place of worship picture, chat me on WhatsApp. Fans sign the chocolate issue and Nayabu project in Barricade and enjoy the WhatsApp number is 0805 783 7672 or 0813 Now, that screen gig have those numbers simple. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. On my long, just pay attention. Here in a Kumakiabo soulmate consideration. I will go number one in no wa. Echefuna. In the spiritual realm, we are all spirits. But in the world of gross material, for the purpose of procreating, we are made in man and woman form. Yes, in order to be able to carry out our earthly duties based on our longing before we enter this gross material world. So, however, in us, every human spirit will the positive side and the negative side. Yes. So, why you are wearing the physical body of male Then you need the spiritual, the physical body, female, in order to complement you in this earthly journey. So what is important when you are looking for life partner, not just looking for life partner, their longing should not be just no. As a man, he can need he consider we don't from the spiritual, because spiritual control the physical. So what you have to do is spiritual wise. So compatible. So will set goals, same goal, same vision. Go where or to the my go mistake in the past, including my humble self. Malo na nwelu onye ọbụla nọ n'ụwa nwere spiritual part number akwago mi mbụ. Enwere spiritual part 1 to spiritual part 9. Onya kpatara na ịbịa n'ụwa na ị ga-afụ ndị na-akpa agwa dị iche iche. Enwere some spiritual number ndị na ndụ ha, you can never trust them. Ọ dị ọrụ ọnụ n'ime ha. Onwere spiritual part number ndị na-adị too cunning in life. Where spiritual part number ndị na-emere mmadụ ebere, empathy, and if they open a hand or nobody will have mercy for you. Onwere ndị na-abụ cheerful givers. It runs in them. They not trust so easily. Onwere ndị will faithful type. Onwere ndị with their word is their bond. Ihe niile abụ ụdịrị mmadụ enwere n'ụwa. Mana ị mara, say enwere ụdị ndị enwere introvert, nwee extrovert, okay ma. Enwere ọtụtụ ndị na-like atụ ụgba ṅụọ mmanya ndị ụlọ ha urume. Just free lifestyle. They like to enjoy themselves. Etu a ụdị ngalaba mmadụ dị iche iche. Ọ bụrụ na ị watch bụrụ nkụzi m ebe nkụziri spiritual part number, you are missing a lot. By understanding their spiritual part number, or some people were zodiac signs. If you know some particular characteristics of people that are compatible to you. Etu agwa dịkwa na ndị Igbo spirituality enwere ike na-asị gị na onye abụ nwa anyanwụ, na onye abụ nwa mmiri, na onye abụ nwa ikuku, na onye abụ nwa ana. Enwere ndị na-compliment onwe ka mmagwa. In Igbo spirituality ka nwere ihe gbasara ndị mmiri mmadụ. O nwere onye nwere ike ịbụ onye mmiri only. Nwa nwere ike ịbụ onye mmiri bụrụ onye ọgbanje. Ntị ọ dị. Then nwa onye nwere ike ịbụ onye mmiri bụrụ onye ọgbanje, bụrụ onye akpọrọ ọrụ. Now, ụdị mmadụ dị etu a nwere ụdị onye ọ ga-ejenụ ịghọtara ya ka o wee daba. If not, ọkpọ ga-abụ n'anya. Ama na-enwe harmony. There won't be harmony. So, whenever you are choosing a soulmate, make sure that the person you are choosing is somebody that share the same vision with you. Onye na-eje ebe ị na-eje, if you want to get to Lagos and you did not enter Lagos bus, or people that share the same vision, na-eje the same Lagos, while you are going to Abuja, you enter Lagos bus, my brother, my sister, you miss the part. So most people are into relationship, this world journey, mission, earthly mission, but they are in the wrong vehicle. So we made a mistake in the past when we are ignorant of how things work. But I'm here to warn you, based on experience. What to look for is not actually only physical beauty. That one could be Jara. It's not looking at shape, because those physical beauty and shape will not last or stand the test of time. They fade away. But what you should look for is the virtue, the inner person quality. If you are somebody that is very honest, you detest, you hate lies, then it means that you will go for spiritual partner that respects and understands that being honest is a virtue. But if you go and marry someone that doesn't see anything in being cunning, then you are going to be having problem, and eventually the relationship or marriage will crash. I can tell you that some marriages or relationship crash, people do say is spiritual, but I can tell you it has nothing to do with spirituality. It's just a matter of not being compatible. So as you are searching for soulmate, some people on earth consider they are looking for a successful man, a wealthy man. They are looking for a wealthy or successful sister to marry. My brother, my sister, you are missing the point. Material thing is not what you should consider the most. However, uploading well vision, every age, look for somebody that share the same vision. Yes, then whether the person was ego, the successful, is jara, but all somebody share the same vision to you. Myself, I have vision for ministration and the prophetic ministration. Is my gift. Counseling. Therefore, the perfect person should be somebody that think along that line. But if you choose somebody that is not sharing the same ministration, the same formula, they have not the same mindset, they know the same goal, you're not going where you're going, and maybe the person detests your set goals and vision, it's not going to work. If you like, you do all from now till tomorrow. What I'm saying is that some of our relationship and marriages do crash because of we don't consider the necessary things. Sometimes as a woman, you are looking for one handsome guy that you are just looking for a good guy. Whether or the broke, or not broke, whether or the vision. On a JB age, on I think it is, I think when the same ambition with you, I would hear that consider. Here now considerable to please your friends. Cause no one good guy with your husband the more guy that you're hanging out with. Does it make any sense? When you fell on yourself. So what am I saying? When considering a soulmate, you don't need to be considering what people will say. Does it count? What people will say about you doesn't count. What is important is the vision of you that is going into that marriage or relationship. So what am I saying? What you got to consider when searching for soulmate. Your reason for going into marriage or relationship should not be only to as a man. What is important is this person, does we have the same vision, the same mindset, the same set goal, the same ambition. Onya or every chole no. Onya ogabo onye ga compliment in the ancient time, during the time of our fathers. Onwere okwu a na-ade ekwube na be no nwanyị. Nwoke, a man has a vision. It's the man that should have a vision. Then you look for a soulmate, a woman that will be subordinate, that will support you and make that your vision to come into limelight. Onya bata na mgbe burugbo mgbe esi dị n'okwu kwa nwoke na-eje achọje nwaanyị. The nwoke na-achọ nwaanyị mgbe a chọtara nwaanyị na ezinụlọ ọbụla suturu vision ya and mission ya on earth. Okporo ezinụlọ ya jee ha ruo ebe ahụ okwu izi a na-atọwọrọ nna nwa mụrụ nyanwụ nwata nwaanyị bụ nna anyị maazị anyị bịara na be gị maka na o nwere ihe anyị na-achọ na anyị na-abịa na be gị ka anyị bezere agbọ. Izere agbọ to take what we don't have. Ịda anụ agbọ mma. Yes, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ na ewu nwoke ndị agbọ na-ajụta ezigbota njọ. And he wanted to compliment something. You look for some people that are better. Example can you it will call the he will set goal ambition in well in life. I have my lofty ideas and ambition. Now if you are looking for a partner, look for somebody that share the same vision. You don't look for somebody that doesn't believe in your vision. It won't work. It's not tomorrow in the marriage or relationship crash you start blaming the middle. The middle is not a responsible place. Sometimes nobody is not responsible. But the problem, you're supposed to blame yourself because you did not consider what you should consider. However, you are considering Iruka Bobazoka. Is it necessary? Those ones can actually come as a jara, but not the main point. So the main point is this. If you are searching for a soulmate, Check your ambition, where you want to be. Look for someone that actually have similar ambition. What two of you need is to match the two energy, positive and negative, in order to catapult yourself to that place you want to be. But whereby you do not consider those things here, because this person is too mature for me, this person is this one, this person is this one, it doesn't matter. What you should be thinking about is the content. What is inside the person? What is the person bringing to the table? I do ask so many people, if you're a woman, you are checking for a man as a soulmate, ask the woman the man, his vision in the next 2, 5, 10 years. Then know whether if you share the same vision. If you're a man searching for a soulmate in the form of a woman, now ask her what is her ambition, set goals 2, 4, 5, 10 years to come. Then by so did, so two of you should bring everything to the table to dissect it. Let me stop here. I don't want this video to be long, but what I can tell you, keep following us so that you keep learning. If you have any question in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Now na screen, you have these numbers simple now. Ebere, ekwem na Chineke. Ekwerem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Pụrụ Ime Ihe Niile be with you all. May you be protected. May you be favored. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Amen.